Daniel, have you ever been punched in the face? Well, I know I have. And it really doesn't feel good. See? Now we're going to figure out a way to avoid it. Come on, let's go. Step 1. Block chop them. Step 2. Knee them in the face until they bleed. Bleed! Step 3. Fart on them. Come on, boy, don't be so afraid. Ah! See, now she's dead. I'm gonna show the camera.